Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up Cash App by using QR codes for your business. Whether you are in your personal life, this method makes it super easy for customers to scan the payment instantly through app. I'm writing person method using QR device. If you are already using QR first terminal or the process, great name, Cash App is already within the system. First, open your browser or app, go to start watch. Then go to settings, then payment methods, and enable Cash App. This works for everything from Square line to bundling in the virtual terminal. When a customer is ready to pay, simply select on your screen. Screen. QR code is automatically the customer just opens the direction, taps the QR scanner, and scan the code to instantly. No extra equipment or download needed. It is all built in. Use Square for online store website. If you are selling through Shopify, Commerce, or a custom website, you can still set up Cash App your payment easily. For Shopify store, install the official Cash App plugin for Shopify App Store. Link your Cash App business account. In your Shopify checkout says enable the Cash App Pay button. Now customer will see the option to pay with Cash App and the QR will be appear from scan and complete the payment. For customer website, use a developer API and Cash App Pay directly to your checkout. Generate secure payments with Cash App Pay. And customer click the link that will see your code to scan or the option to pay. That's for today. If you want this help, subscribe to our channel and thank you for